Good day everyone. Before we get into our topic, bear in mind that I'm not a professional financial advisor and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. I don't give financial advice, I only share information that I research and enjoy doing so. Please always do your research before investing. Now sit back and watch this video. When it comes to cryptocurrency, fluctuations are inevitable and you can't expect it to stay at its current price because demand changes daily. However, the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has lately plummeted in value. What went wrong? Exactly. As I already stated, it is inevitable but crashing out of nowhere. So you may be wondering as well. Let's go and find out. So please sit back and watch as we share why is Bitcoin crashing in today's topic. Be sure to watch this video up to the end and afterward leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of the upcoming new videos. Bitcoin is the world's most popular digital currency. It lets users access banks and traditional payment methods, and it's not controlled by any institution, country, or central bank. There are around 1 million Bitcoins in circulation right now. This cryptocurrency was at an all-time high in April, however the price has been falling since last month. May does not look to be the month for Bitcoin to vanish from the crypto world. Now let's talk about the reason why Bitcoin is crashing. The reason for Bitcoin crashing. There are several explanations for this, but let's start why it collapses during the month of May. First, Musk said on May 12th that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoins as a payment owing to worries about Bitcoin's mining process consuming too much energy. Bitcoin's price plummeted by 13% in only 24 hours that time. The tweet of Elon Musk caused the Bitcoin crash. He posted in his Twitter account that they were concerned about the rapidly growing usage of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, particularly coal, which emits the most pollutants of any fuel. On the other hand, peer-reviewed research has demonstrated that mining Bitcoin's energy and hence environmental costs can outweigh any economic advantages. Because we're talking about Elon Musk, cryptocurrencies and the future of digital tokens, stakeholders and the internet have weighed in on both sides. Moving on, according to fellow billionaire Mark Cuban, Bitcoin is beneficial to the environment since they recognize that replacing gold as a store of value would benefit the environment, and they will continue to accept Bitcoin as a payment option. Musk's remarks was called deceptive and self-serving by a variety of Bitcoin Twitter accounts. Others retorted to Bitcoin would save the world in some way. Some prominent investors have announced that they would go on cable news shows to discuss how Bitcoin is beneficial to the environment. Over the previous several years, Bitcoin has grown in respectability. However, the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem is still very volatile, so no one knows what could happen. Then things went from bad to worse. This time it's due to China's crypto ban. China bans crypto. On May 19th, the Chinese government announced that payment companies and financial institutions would no longer provide cryptocurrency transactions, citing the coin's volatility and stating that cryptocurrency prices don't support actual value. Bitcoin has lost more than 12% of its value, falling to $39,700 per coin. And according to the China Banking Association, the National Internet Finance Association of China, and the Payment and Clearing Association of China, cryptocurrency registration, trading, and settlement are now prohibited services and must not be offered. These regulators issued a joint statement warning investors against trading cryptocurrencies based on speculation, and they claim that cryptocurrency prices may be manipulated and the digital tokens have no actual value. They have also stated that cryptocurrency values have soared and fallen, and speculative cryptocurrency trading has rebounded, significantly jeopardizing the protection of people's property and upsetting the regular economic and financial order. What are your thoughts about Elon Musk's tweets and China's ban on crypto? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's look into the other factors that have contributed to Bitcoin's downfall. To learn more, keep watching this video. Let's get started. The majority of investors would be delighted with the coin valued at $39,700 today. However, in the last 24 hours that time, Bitcoin has plummeted from almost $40,000 to a little over $36,000 per coin. The decrease is about 8%. The reason this time is from the Japanese government. Japan government. Digital tokens values fell after Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda joined a growing list of central bankers who questioned the industry's use in the real world. In an interview with Bloomberg, Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda declared that the Bitcoin is rarely utilized as a means of settlement, and unlike stablecoins, it lacks assets to back up its value similar to other cryptocurrencies. Kuroda's remarks have alarmed Bitcoin investors who worried that a regulatory hammer would be struck against the world's most well-known cryptocurrency, similar to China's remark a few weeks ago. Bitcoin has dropped from an all-time high of $64,829.14 in mid-April to $36,030.20 in the last week of May. However, the cryptocurrency is still up by more than 22% year so far. Another reason for the Bitcoin crash down when Donald Trump called Bitcoin a scam. Bitcoin has been described as a scam by Donald Trump. On June 7, 2021, Donald Trump called Bitcoin a scam, competing with the dollar for the title of the currency of the world. His remarks followed news that El Salvador intends to make cryptocurrency an official tender. The president of El Salvador has declared that the cryptocurrency Bitcoin would become a legal tender in the country. Central America will be the first country in the world to legalize digital money if Congress accepts its proposal. It would be used along the US dollar as El Salvador's official currency. According to President Nayib Bukele, Bitcoin would make it easier for Salvadorians living abroad to send money back home. In the short run, this would generate jobs and offer financial inclusion to individuals outside the formal sector. Mr. Bukele said in a Bitcoin conference in Florida, adding that it may also encourage investment in the country. According to him, the bill would be delivered to Congress, and if the measure passes, financial services will be available to 70% of Salvadorians who don't have bank accounts. El Salvador's economy is highly reliant on remittances, or money brought home from abroad, which account for around 20% of GDP. Given the fact that more than 2 million Salvadorians reside outside the nation, they maintain strong links with it, sending over $4 billion back each year. According to the statement, current providers might charge fees for such transfers, which may take days to arrive and sometimes need in-person collection. Mr. Bukele also stated that his plan would improve the futures of millions of people. However, he didn't elaborate on the policy's implementation. Bitcoin's value has fluctuated dramatically over the years, and it's a virtual asset with no direct link to the actual economy. Now let's talk about whether you'll lose money as a result of the Bitcoin crash. But before we get into that, we've made it halfway through this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to be alerted when new content is available. Please give this video a thumbs up to express your appreciation for my efforts. Let's continue. Will the Bitcoin crash cause you to lose money? You'll lose money only if you sell Bitcoin for less than you purchased it. A process known as crystallizing your losses. You're not really losing money if you leave your money invested in Bitcoin while the price is low. Just remember that cryptos may change anytime, so you don't have to worry about your investment. All you have to do is keep track of and study everything before making decisions that may cause you to lose even more money. When prices fall, some investors panic and sell, but it's typically preferable to keep your money invested in the hopes that prices will increase again. You may be wondering if Bitcoin will ever regain its previous worth. Let's talk about it. Will the price of Bitcoin rise after the downturn? There is no assurance of this, given that the Chinese announcement and demands for additional regulation throughout the world may influence crypto's decentralization. At the same time, environmental issues continue to be a worry. However, keep in mind that if it rises too quickly, it may also fall too fast. This is since the price of Bitcoin is entirely based on speculation, so please don't put all your hard-earned money into them because cryptocurrencies are risky, and Bitcoin may recover traction at some point in the future given its unpredictable nature. Will Bitcoin's popularity continue to fall? A crash in crypto is more likely to occur when the price of an asset rises fast. At the very least, when the price returns to a more normal level, there will be a correction. This is where Bitcoin is right now. Bitcoin was in a bull market, which meant its value was rising, whereas bear markets saw its value fall, and it took 11 years to launch $20,000 per coin, but it only took 3 weeks for the coin to double. Its latest growth has been phenomenal. Bitcoin increased by more than 700% last year, reaching an all-time high of $63,000 for a single Bitcoin. Following recent falls, it is currently selling at half that price. Lastly, let's talk about if you can lose your money when you invest in Bitcoin. Will you lose money in Bitcoin? Without question, yes. People who buy Bitcoin are effectively banking on the price growth in the short term, which is typical of any investment. This is not the same as traditional investing, in which you place a long-term bet on an asset or the company. That's it for today. What do you think about the reason for the Bitcoin crash? Do you still want to purchase Bitcoin? Did this video help you in any way? Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button to get updates on new content. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.